This is the new iPhone 14 Pro, and today we would like to share the top 5 Pro tips and features for this device. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and start. The first very cool and long-awaited feature is the always-on display. So in order for you to be able to turn it on, simply launch the settings, then enter the display and brightness category, scroll the page all the way down, and in here you'll find the lonely always-on toggle, which you want to switch on. And now our device will have the AOD. Let me lock my screen. And as you can see, that's how the always-on display looks on the smartphone. Unfortunately, it is not customizable, but still. Alrighty, moving on to the next feature, which is, as you can see, the battery percentage visibility. In order for you to turn it on, you gotta launch the same settings app, then enter the battery category, and in here you'll find the dedicated toggle. By default it is not shown, so in order for you to be always able to particularly see how much power you have left, just turn the switch on, which says battery percentage, and from now on at all times you will be able to clearly know how many, or should I say how much of a battery health you have left. Alrighty, moving on to the next tip slash feature that we were to highlight in this video is the fact that with the new iOS 16 you can, well, customize your lock screen. So let me show how you can do just that. So simply tap and hold at your lock screen. Let me do it real quick. So yeah, of course, first of all you gotta unlock it and then tap and hold. So in here you can customize it in a lot of different ways. So for example, you can choose what widgets will be shown in here. The more apps you have, the more widgets they will provide you with. So I'll remove the alarm widget and add the, I don't know, let's say the calendar, for example. And I will also remove the battery and make it smaller, so minimize it, and add the third widget, which will be activity, let's say. Next, you can also change the font for the font style, the text style, as well as the color for the digital clock. So I'll go with this one, for example, and change the color to like darker tones of purple, probably. And in here at the very top, you'll be also able to choose the widget to be displayed. Just like so. Alrighty, so after that you just gotta click on the done button and choose to set it as wallpaper pair or further customize the home screen, which you can, well, choose the style of wallpapers for, or even set some custom image. And just like so, we have successfully customized the lock screen as well as the home screen. There are also quite a few more options to the lock screen customizations. For example, let me just add the completely new lock screen. In here you can go for the some custom photo or image, enable the photo shuffle, make the wallpapers, lock screen wallpapers completely out of different emojis of your choice. As well as make it to show the weather, astronomy, or just be completely filled color, which you can also make, or should I say set to be the gradient. There is also a very vast and wide, should I say, gallery of standard lock screen faces, as it is with the Apple Watches, if well, you have used them previously, which you can choose from. Alrighty, so I guess that will be it for the lock screen customization. The last thing that I wanted to mention is how you can remove the home screens. Just swipe them upwards, like so, and then click on the trash bin icon. Confirm the removal, and just like so. And just like so, you can erase the custom lock screens you have. Alrighty, moving on to the next feature that we would like to demonstrate. That is the fact that you can edit the layout of this control center, edit the shortcuts you have over here at the bottom part. In order to do that, you gotta launch the settings, enter the dedicated control center category, and in here you'll be able to edit the included controls. So for example, let's say I would like to remove the shortcut for notes and for the camera, but at the same time I would like for it to contain the dark mode shortcut, as well as, let's say, magnifier. And once we launch the control center once again, as you can see, the dark mode and the magnifier shortcuts has been successfully added to it. And from here I can switch on or off the dark mode, the night light, as well as use the magnifier. Alrighty, so moving on to the fifth and last feature for this video, which is the fact that once you have updated your phone to the new iOS 16, you are able to turn on the haptic feedback for keyboard, which is also a very long awaited feature. So launch the settings, then go for the sounds and haptics category, scroll the page down, you'll find the keyboard feedback section which you want to tap on, and in here the sound keyboard the keyboard click sounds is not the new option, it's pretty old actually, but the haptic is something that has been added with the new version of the iOS. So just turn on this haptic toggle, and from now on, each time you'll type or use the keyboard, you'll feel a very slight and gentle haptic feedback, therefore vibration. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.